Dart, a versatile programming language developed by Google, is designed for building efficient applications across web, mobile, and desktop platforms. Known for its performance and cross-platform capabilities, Dart powers many mobile applications, especially those developed with Flutter, Google's popular framework for creating cross-platform mobile apps. If you're looking to dive into a language that offers both flexibility and power, Dart is a great choice. Setting up a Dart development environment is simple. Start by downloading the Dart SDK from dart.dev and adding the appropriate plugins to your IDE, such as Visual Studio Code or IntelliJ IDEA. Dart includes helpful development tools like the Dart CLI, which lets you run and manage Dart applications, and Pub, Dart's package manager, which simplifies adding and managing dependencies. Dart's syntax is straightforward and clean, allowing you to get started with just a few lines of code. A quick hello, world program shows off its simplicity. Dart's syntax supports variables with both inferred and specific types, including integers, doubles, and booleans, allowing for flexibility. Additionally, control flow statements like if-else and switch case provide the structure needed to manage complex logic effectively. When it comes to defining functions, Dart shines with its flexible parameter options. Functions can be created with optional parameters that are either named or positional, allowing developers to call functions more easily and with greater customization. Dart also provides a strong foundation in object-oriented programming with classes, objects, and inheritance, enabling the creation of reusable, modular code. You can create classes with properties and methods, extending them as needed to add functionality. Dart's built-in collection types include lists, sets, and maps. Lists are great for handling ordered data, sets manage unique values, and maps store key-value pairs, making data organization straightforward. The use of these collections makes it easy to work with data in various ways, giving developers the tools needed to handle a wide range of data structures effectively. Another feature that enhances Dart's appeal is its extensive libraries and packages. From core functions to async operations and input-output management, Dart's libraries cover many common tasks. Furthermore, with packages available on pub.dev, developers can easily expand their application's capabilities by adding dependencies with just a few lines of configuration. For managing asynchronous tasks, Dart includes futures and the async/await syntax, essential for tasks like network requests where the program might otherwise need to wait. This functionality is key to Dart's appeal in modern development, where handling asynchronous operations is often a necessity. In combination with Flutter, Dart really comes to life. Dart's hot reload feature enables developers to make changes on the fly without restarting the app, a huge time saver that keeps development efficient and enjoyable. This strong integration with Flutter is a significant reason why Dart is favored by developers for creating seamless, responsive applications. If you're interested in exploring Dart further, including detailed examples and insights, be sure to check out the full lecture note at TangalleZone.com/education. This comprehensive guide will provide you with all the foundational knowledge needed to start coding with Dart and take advantage of its powerful capabilities. Dart is more than just a language, it's a comprehensive tool for building high-quality, cross-platform applications. With its clean syntax, extensive libraries, and seamless integration with Flutter, Dart empowers developers to bring their ideas to life in ways that are both efficient and impactful.